Hi guys, I have a Python challenge for you. It's from a beginner to pro level. So let's start. My question is, ask for the radius from user and print the area of the circle. So are you ready? Let's start. We will take an input from the users saying enter a radius. Okay, and now let me okay, and the answers from the user could be in float or in integers. Since integers will give us the error, we'll take the answers in float, which will be in the safer side. Now it comes the formula, which is area of the circle is pi r square. Pi is usually 22 by 7 and r square into r square. R square means r to the power square, right? And double stars means to the power. Like if suppose I want to make it to the power as 4 r to the power 4. Now this time that we want r square, so it's 2. And let me print the answers now. The answers will be in square bracket area of the circle. Circle is A. So let me run this and see the answers. So I've run this. Let me put the answer as 4. It's integers and it gave me answers as 50 point something, which is in float. And let me also put in answers in, the radius in float 2.0. It is also taking, it's not giving the error. So it's a correct, approach. If you have any question, please let me know. Also, please stay tuned and I'll be sharing more questions with you. Bye-bye.